In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zillow Rental Manager 2026 guide. If you're a landlord or property manager looking to streamline listings, applications, leases, and rent collection in one place, this walkthrough will help you move confidently from setup to ongoing management. Start by signing into your Zillow account and opening the Rental Manager dashboard. Click Add a Property and enter the complete address exactly as it appears on official records, so your map PIN and neighborhood data populate correctly. For security, Zillow may ask you to verify ownership by uploading a mortgage statement or a property tax bill. Have a clear digital copy ready and make sure the name and address match your listing to avoid delays. With your property created, it's time to craft a listing that stands out. Use the Price My Rental tool to see local comparables and set a competitive rate. Pricing in line with the market draws more qualified leads, and you can adjust later if interest is too high or too low. Upload bright, high-resolution photos taken in natural light, and write a clear description that highlights the features renters care about, like pet-friendly policies, in-unit laundry, heating and cooling, and parking arrangements. Be accurate and consistent with fair housing guidelines. When you publish, your listing will automatically appear on Zillow, Trulia, and HotPads, expanding your reach to a massive audience. Next, enable applications so renters can apply directly through your listing. Applicants typically pay a flat fee to share screening reports with you, including a full credit report powered by Experian, a background check that covers criminal and eviction history, and income verification such as proof of employment and recent pay stubs. Review each application consistently against your stated criteria and local laws. Inside the Applications tab, you can compare candidates side by side and keep all communication organized. When you're ready to offer the unit, use Lease Builder to generate a state-specific lease or upload your own PDF. Send it for e-signature to all tenants, and the finalized document will be stored securely in your dashboard for easy reference. To collect rent online, connect your bank account, set due dates and any grace period, and let tenants pay by ACH transfers, which are free for both sides. Automatic reminders help everyone stay on schedule. For ongoing management, direct tenants to the maintenance portal where they can submit repair requests with photos. Track tasks from start to finish and coordinate with vendors efficiently. At tax time, export your payment history in CSV or PDF to simplify reporting and keep your records tidy. That's it. Zillow Rental Manager brings the key pieces of landlording into one streamlined workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.